Hey guys, welcome back to another episode on How Logical. In this video, I will guide you on how you can get logged into your TD Bank employee account. Now, if this sounds helpful, then make sure to follow all the steps and watch this video till the end. And don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification so that you will be notified for any of our new uploads. Now let's get straight into it. Firstly, you need to open up a web browser on a PC. Now there you have to search for TD Bank Employee Login. And from the search result, you have to tap on the very first link, Retail Brand/Store Employee Portal. And once you tap on it, you will take into the next page where you will be able to see these two boxes. Now if you're from Canada, then tap on this TD My Time in the first option. But if you're from United States, then you have to tap on this TD My Time link. Now choose if you're from Canada or United States and tap on TD My Time. And once you tap on it, you will be directly taken to its login page. Now there, you have to type in your username that you have created by you and the password of your account. Once you type in your username and password, tap on Sign In button. If the username and the password you have typed in are correct, then you will be successfully get logged into your TD Bank employee account. Now that's all it takes to get logged into your TD Bank employee account. Hope you liked and found this video useful. If you did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. That's gonna be all for this video. Thank you for watching.